Hey guys, and welcome to your first tutorial in Discord.py rewrite. We're going to use this to make a Discord bot, which does a lot of commands. I'm going to show you what the Discord bot does. So I'm going to run it. It'll tell you bot is ready. Then the bot is going to be ready, obviously. So we're going to go here, and then you can do _g help. Look at all the commands for the bot, and there's going to be some secret commands. We'll learn how to make them too. So let's do let's do _meme, just to see if this works. And you see, as you can see, we can see this. And then we can get a music, and then we do _J, which is the join command. _L tells you that it joined. _L. Bam, it left, and then do _J _P, and then you do the song URL. I don't have a song URL right now, but it will work, and we'll learn how to do it. These are all the commands. _ping. It shows you the ping for the bot. 78, pretty normal for the bot. So yeah, let's start. So first thing we want to do is go to anaconda.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Individual download. I'm on Windows, so 64-bit. Takes 64, but if you have like an older system, it takes 32. We're gonna go for 3.7 and higher. So I'm going on this one because I'm on Windows. Save. I'm gonna cancel it because I already have it, and just follow through the installation process. Yeah, so we're gonna go to our CMD. I'm gonna make it look cool. So this is the command. I'll be putting out a CMD tutorial in the near future, but I actually don't know when. I'm gonna do conda. This checks if it's installed. If this comes up, then you're good. It's installed. So we're gonna do conda create disco discordy. I'm gonna call it Discord. Um, Python. Conda create disco Python equal to 3.6. We're gonna be 3.6 because Discord.py does not support Python versions higher than 3.6. Do this. Enter. As you can see, it's like making the environment. It's gonna take a while. Probably like. Okay, so now we're done. I'm gonna do activate Discord. Now, as you can see, we're inside the environment. We're going to do pip install discord.py. So, like, it's just going to say requirement satisfied for me. It's going to, like, install for you. Actually, no, it's not, because I'm on a virtual environment, so we're just going to wait for it to install. It doesn't take too long. This is, like, the module that we're going to be using to, as you can see, it's installed. Installing. Oops. It's installed. Okay. I'm going to do pip install. You don't have to do this now, but I would suggest you do it. So you're going to do discord.py, then you're going to do brackets, and then we're going to do voice. This is going to help us with, uh, it's going to help us with the voice commands, which means music commands. So now we're done. You can clear this, close it out. So I'm going to start new, so I'm going to do new project. I'm going to name it YT Disco. I'm going to do, press this button. You're going to do system interpreter, conda environment. Interpreter is disco. No, it's not. It's envs. Why is this one not sharing it? Environment. This. Where is this? Envs. I'm clicking the wrong one. These. We do, yeah, there we go. Discord. I'm gonna do Python w.exe. Then interpreter. We should do okay. Discord. Where's this Discord? Discord should be down here. Oops, it went away again. Okay. There we go. This took a long time. New window. This is how you're supposed to look. Here. Actually, I'm just gonna go to. When I do new, do Python file, I'm just gonna call it YT tutorial, and then it's gonna open up. I'm gonna do add configuration. I'm gonna do plus. I'm gonna do Python. I'm gonna do unnamed. I'm just gonna name it tutor. I can't spell. Scripting apply. Oops, path. Discord. Okay. Parameters apply. Okay. So as you can see, if there's an X here, try following the tutorial again. Just like the past 10 seconds. If it looks like this, you're good. We're good to start coding. So first we have to import our bots. Import our module. Discord. Import Discord. That's all we need for now. We're gonna run this to see if it actually is a module. If we have it installed, exit code 0, we're good. We're gonna do token equal to, and then we're gonna do a string. Actually, no, we don't even need this. I'm gonna go to my other thing, because the start is, where is it? Yeah. We also need this import. Control C, Control V. I'm just gonna be copying a lot of stuff because that's take a long time to just type. I'll waste your time. So go here. I'm gonna make this one's prefix. I'm gonna make it. You can make it anything you want. I'm gonna make it. We're gonna name it testbot. T. I'm gonna go all the way down to here. I'll leave the finished code in like GitHub maybe, or I might just put it in the description. But here, just gonna do. Oops. I'm gonna do that. Okay. So what we need to do now is actually create the Discord bot. So we're gonna do Discord developer portal. You have to have an account for this. Create an account. You're gonna do new applications. You're gonna name it. I'm gonna name it test. Test. I'm gonna go to bot. I'm gonna do add bot. So this like actually makes the bot. Too many users have this name. What? Add bot. What is that supposed to mean? Tester. That way. Too many bots have this username. I'm gonna go back to here. I'm just gonna delete all these because I don't use these things. Why is this not creating a bot? This shouldn't happen to you, but it is happening to me probably because I have too many bots. Bot is good. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna do YouTube tutorial. I'm gonna do save changes. do bot, we'll do add bot. Let's do it. Okay, that was it. I'm gonna do YT tutorial. I'm gonna do, I don't know, I'm just gonna give it my level. My other channel's level. Yeah, so none of this is needed right now. Save changes, I'm gonna do, oh, okay, I'm gonna do copy, so do this, press copy. I'm gonna regenerate the token, but I'm gonna paste your thing in there. Then you have to put it in a string, otherwise it's not gonna work. And if we do this, if this, should show us, should give us no errors. And then, okay. So next thing we're gonna do, go to Discord. Okay, Discord. Why is Discord not open? View maybe. Discord. I'm just gonna use online Discord. Discord. I'm just gonna go to Discord. Discord.com. You guys should download it, but I'm just I don't know why it's not working. Okay. Connecting. So I'm gonna go to we're gonna create a new server. You press the plus icon. Do YT test. Change icon. Apply. Create. Okay. I'm not gonna invite anybody. So we're gonna go to this. Oops. The top. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the. This is my other bot. It's on top.tg. Login. I need to log in. I'm gonna put the link. So we have to invite it to our server to actually make it work. Just gonna authorize this. I'm gonna do add bot to my bots. Can I go to my bots? Because you guys won't have to do this. I'm just invite. See, I'm gonna copy this URL. I'm gonna put this in the description. You guys don't have to go through this thing. I'm gonna do this. Just gonna take your bam. We're gonna want to go to our Discord developer portal. We're gonna go to client ID. And then we're gonna paste this inside here. We're gonna press enter, and then it will say connect to server. I'm just gonna put it to YouTube test. YouTube test. Bam. It's gonna do human verification. Cars. Bam. 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 Verify. Okay, I know. Okay, it says I'm not a robot now. I'm gonna go here. Yeah, user tutorial. Where it's online. So if we stop the code, it will go online. It will go offline. So now we're gonna make something that says when our bot is ready. So the way you like to make commands is we're gonna do at client.event. We'll do enter. We'll do basic. Define. Then we'll do on or ready. Ready. We'll do that, and then we'll do print of bot is ready to be used. We'll do enter. So there's like different things that you can get from Discord.py by using things. So you can change to underscore status dot start, change underscore status dot start, change underscore status dot start. Oops. Am I forgetting anything? I don't think I am. I'm gonna stop this and run. What? Here's my oh, oops, parentheses. Always remember parentheses. Start. Let's see if it says it. And then color. Okay, also we don't need the parentheses here. Okay. Just gotta do this to see if anything changes. But see, Discord.py is gonna be some unreliable. I'm just Discord.py. Okay, we're not gonna do it now. We're gonna do underscore client dot command dot command. We're gonna do enter. We're gonna make our first command. We're gonna do async define. I'm gonna call it. This is gonna be the command name. I'm gonna call it hello. I'm gonna call it hi. We'll do this. And we're gonna do this. We'll do this. We'll do this. Let's put context in here. CTX. CTX. Wait. CTX.send. And then what I do is hi. Do I have something? Hi. My name is test fly. So if we run this, is our bot online? I'm gonna go to my browser. Is our bot online? It is online. We're gonna do underscore. We're gonna do oops. It's gonna be T hi. T hi. Hi. See, as you can see, it responds with hi. My name is Y2 Testbot. If not, we need to change it. So yeah, as you can see, our bot works with our prefix as T. I'm going to copy this just to see I'm not lying. I'm just going to copy paste this a million times. And just to see, even if we type only if we type this, it will respond. Oops. That. Do this, it will respond. This. Respond. As you can see, it does. Hi. 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 If we remove this, it won't work. So that's just like if someone says hi in chat and we don't want the bot to respond. We just want the bot to respond when it's being called. So yeah, that's your first. As it gives the error, but as you can see, that's your first tutorial in Discord.py. If you enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next tutorial.